To troubleshoot Authorize net Accept.js, start by understanding what Accept.js is and its purpose. Accept.js is a JavaScript library provided by Authorize net that allows merchants to collect sensitive payment information from customers without having to handle the data themselves. This reduces the merchant's PCI DSS scope and makes it easier to integrate payment processing into their websites. The first step in troubleshooting Accept.js is to verify that the Accept.js library is properly installed and configured. Check that the library is included in the web page and that the API login ID and public client key are correctly set up. Next, check the browser console for any error messages. Accept.js provides detailed error messages that can help identify the source of the problem. Look for errors related to the Accept.js library, such as invalid API credentials or incorrect configuration. Another common issue with Accept.js is tokenization errors. Tokenization is the process of replacing sensitive payment information with a unique token that can be used to process payments. Check that the tokenization process is working correctly by verifying that the payment form is submitting the token to the server. If the issue persists, check the server-side integration. Verify that the server is correctly processing the payment token and that the payment gateway is configured correctly. Check the Authorize net documentation for specific requirements for server-side integration. Best practices for troubleshooting Accept.js include testing the payment form with different payment methods and browsers to identify any browser or payment method specific issues. It is also a good idea to test the payment form in a sandbox environment before deploying it to production. In addition to these steps, it is also important to stay up to date with the latest version of Accept.js and to follow Authorize net's best practices for security and compliance. By following these steps and best practices, merchants can effectively troubleshoot and resolve issues with Accept.js and provide a seamless payment experience for their customers.